Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be working on the Subaru BRZ. What do we got going for us today?
You got Supercharger, bro.
We're going to throw the Supercharger on. Copped it for a good deal. And so here it is, the Innovate Supercharger. And I didn't get it with the heat exchanger just because I got it for a good deal. But so yeah, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to install this. We have all the stuff. Got it second hand. So it's hot as hell today, so we got the tarp out. It's not going to really be a how-to in-depth how to do it. We're just going to take you along the journey of us throwing it on. And yeah, so it should be fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright, so we're about to take off the intake manifold. We got most of this stuff off already, so let's see if we can get that out. Oh, coming up right here.
Hold it.
Oh, got some gas. Yeah. Right on. Check it out. Man, look at that. There's our
some
heater.
rags in there.
Yeah. Yeah, first things, let's get some rags in there. Good call. Yeah, I'll give you some rags. Here. You're all clean rag. Hey, it looks pretty good in there.
Yeah.
It's an 85 for you right there.
It's fresh.
Yeah, check that out. It's pretty clean. Yeah, alright. It's going down right now. That's sick. Alright, so we're gonna regroup. We're gonna.
This is direct injected too, huh?
Yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna switch everything over to the Supercharger, like throttle body, fuel rail, injectors, and all that. And then we're gonna have to install some hoses, some extension hoses, and then we'll throw it on. Should be sick.
Let's mock it up. Bring Supercharger real quick. I want to see what it looks like. Just set it down. I don't want to see it.
Come here, have me.
I gotta change that too.
Yeah.
It's heavy as oh,
I got a bunch of.
I know. I have. It's okay. Just set it down. I just want to see what it looks like. There. Done.
Yeah, we're gonna take this bar out because it's. That's gonna look crazy.
Is it gonna fit under your hood?
Yeah, it'll sit down lower.
It sits down lower. It's sitting on a bunch of stuff.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, tilt it back a bit.
Where does this go?
That's the pulley for the alternator. Alright, cool.
Where's the other connection?
Alright, so we already did all the connections. These two right here are for the heater core. That's for the throttle body. Those just got ran right here. And this was the breather hose that hooked up to the intake stock. And so there's an extension hose this way. And then this is for the breather that's get hooked up to the Supercharger. And then that's from the brake booster. That gets hooked up. And then there's another evap solenoid that gets hooked up as well. And yeah, so we got everything's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it on.
We need to pull these rags out.
Yeah.
We already cleaned the heads. So
yeah, the surfaces, so
pull these out.
ready. Should we grab it? How to go around the thing? Alright. Oh, dude, we forgot to take these things out.
What? Oh,
braces.
Okay,
Let me see.
Let's do that.
Want to do it?
Yeah. Let's go put it back.
Oh, and then we're ready.
Go to your side first.
Because I gotta clear this wire loom. I'm ready. I'm cool to get. I'm cool. Wait, hold on. What's that? You bet. This shit is good. I'm good. You are. You good?
No.
What are you doing?
I have no idea. Oh, this harness.
So check it out. This is what it looks like. It's sitting in there right now. We're tightening up the 6 bolts for the manifold. So yeah, I'm just doing the final connections. Like so here, those are those 2 lines that we have for the coolant. That's gonna go right here. And this is for the breather from the intake tube. That's gonna go right here. And then the other 2 connections. So
we're back here.
Showing you a little bit of progress. So we're getting there, slowly but surely. Cool. Alright guys, what's going on? So here it is. It's all finished up. Then we got the Innovate Supercharger. Everything went pretty good. No hiccups. So only thing you have to do left is I have to get my computer and then flash the ECU and turn it on. So let's go ahead and do that.
What we doing, boss?
Alright, we're gonna tune this. Alright, dude.
Show everybody what you're doing real quick.
So I'm just going to open up the Pro ECU.
Oh, where's it at?
Back here.
Oh, I see it. So we got everything bolted up, everything's cleaned up, ready to go. Let's see, literally everything's done. So, I'm gonna flash that tune on and we should be good to go, right? Sir?
Yep, I'm just making sure this is the file. I haven't tuned this car in like 2 years, so I kind of forgot. Alright, so this is it right here. I have the file loaded, so I'm going to press program ECU. Oh, it said it failed. Operation failed. Switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. Try again. Alright guys, so there it is. As you can see, it's tuning as we speak.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, check it out. This is how you know you got the RPMs. It goes up in like a tick, like a clock. So it's tuning right now. I don't know why I had that issue in the first place. It said there was an error, but we fixed it. So check it out. So it tells me to switch the ignition off. I'll switch it off. It's gonna take a second. Switch ignition on and wait. Alright. I thought something might have been wrong with like the tune. I was like, oh my gosh, dude, if I'm gonna have to wait, do you want to also clear? Yeah, I'm gonna. It says recommended, so if they recommend it, then you should do it. Yeah?
What next?
I think that's it.
Sure. Oh, it's still writing, huh?
So right now there's just a base map, just to get the car running, and then I'm going to have to take data logs and email them to a tuner, so therefore we can go back and forth and just kind of dial everything in. So look at that. It says its programming sequence has now been completed. You know what that means? You can turn it on. Let's do the first startup. Let's see what happens. To put that in?
I have no idea.
Nice.
A couple hours.
So the next thing I'm thinking of doing is changing the spark plug and changing the oil. I'll something that we gotta do very soon.
Give you guys a little rev.
No gas?
No. Oh shit!
Alright guys, first ride. I haven't stepped on it yet, but it sounds pretty sick. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's see. I don't want to step on this here. Oh! You could really feel the difference, dude.
Yeah.
I wasn't even stepping on it all the way, but it's almost like you felt that?
Yeah, for sure. From the last time we rode, I rode.
Yeah, dude. Damn. You could really feel it.
I'm gonna put it out.
Okay guys, so I want to thank you guys for watching and thanks for coming along this quick little journey. So yeah, I mean, it was a lot quicker, so we'll take another video. I have to make another one of doing the spark plugs and the oil change, and then I have to do some data logs and get it retuned. So yeah, so thanks for watching and see you on the next one.